In the last part of our tab settings, we are going to look to tab functions, where you can add some animation to the content that is being brought in or set to display. You can either fade it in, which is the default. You can do it with some animation that is sliding in from the bottom, from the top, from the left, from the right. You can zoom it in, or you can simply say no animation, and then it will just be displayed instantaneously. This is a small fade element. You can also select which content, which tab title you want to be to have activated when the page loads. You can set it to hide initially all, so no tab will be active. You can select any of the other tabs that you selected. And then you can also select whether your tab titles need to break on a new line for a responsive view, or if they are being forced inline. The difference is, let me give a quick example. Let's add a few tab titles here. This would be the default behavior, where you can see that the tab titles break on a new line when they are getting too wide. If you force them inline, you will have a scroll bar, just like that.